Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how to update certain fields in Material Master WM view. Okay, this is similar to other views also. Okay, recently I worked on this kind of a change, so I felt like, okay, let's share it, how to use it. So the transaction code, you can directly go as MM17. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you that without any uploading kind of a function. So you can select the table MLGM, okay. Execute it. If you want to change the specific materials, you can pass the list of materials. Otherwise, you can give like that. And warehouse number GK1. Okay. So if you want to change for all or you want to change only for few, like I mentioned that, you can take a decision. Let us take specific materials. I want to take it. Okay. I want to take for /n SC16N MLGN table GK1 warehouse and execute it. So I want to take only these 5 materials. Okay, go here and use this paste button so that system will copy all the materials, whether it are 60 or 70, anything it can come. Now execute it. So now go to this option where you can see the list of fields. For example, I want to update bulk storage indicator or allow edition stock. For example, I want to update allow edition stock. Okay, now it is blank. I want to update to X, means I want to activate the flag. Put that button and select like this. Then click on this button called carry out a mass change. So it is update for all the fields. Okay. For example, you wanted to update only for 3 or you, so like that also you can unselect or select, you can do that. So now click on save. So system is updating the allow to edition stock flag for the 4 materials which we have selected. So once the saving is completed, the changes are completed, system will show you the success message. If there are any issues, that will give you. See, message has been issued, everything is success. You can see all the green, no errors. Now we are going to check this one, allow to edition stock. Okay, that field is somewhere here. Yeah, allow to edition stock. These materials have blank. Just refresh it. See here. For all these materials, allow to edition stock is updated to X. I hope this video has helped you to update any material master fields easily without using any other programs or LSMW. You can practice for different fields and different values. It will give you an enough command. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Have a good day.